What's up guys, Josh Bacon here, also known as JB the Car Fanatic, and welcome to another video on my channel. Now, if you've been following me on social media, you will have seen a post saying that I got the Xbox Series X mini fridge delivered to me today. And in this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of it and also show you me setting it up as well. So, let's get on with the video. Right, so here we have the fridge in its box. It is quite large, as you can see. It is a 1.5:1 scale replica of an Xbox Series X console. Inspired by all these memes about the Series X looking like a fridge when it was first unveiled a couple of years ago. It says it holds up to 12 cans of pop, and it also has two snack shelves, as you can see. And also, the Xbox logo on the fridge and the top of the fridge also light up as well. It says here. Right. Now let's get it open. Take the polystyrene out. These are the instructions. We might have to tip the box to get it out. Let's see. Hallelujah. And this is the fridge itself. Yes, so this is what the front looks like. You have the Xbox logo, which also lights up. You have a pretend disk drive, and you also have a USB port on the front as well. And these are the controls for and these are the on-off buttons for the different lights. Right, moving over to the back of the fridge, you have the controls. We have the settings for Eco and Max modes. This is your power light, and these are the different connection points for DC 12 volts, or AC it's 240 volts here. Now let's open it up to show you the inside. As you can see, it is quite spacious. As you can see, it is quite a large capacity fridge, and you also have your power cables inside. Just take these out. Right, so this is your lead for right. So this is the 200. So this is what you would plug it. So this is what you would use if you were plugging it into the mains. And this is what you would use if you were plugging it into a 12-volt power supply, like the one in your car or RV or truck or whatever. It also comes with these little shelves. These little shelves inside of the fridge. No, it's in the wrong way. There we go, that's it. Yeah. And these are the shelves built into the door right there, as you can see. Yeah. Oh, and I also forgot to show you as well, these are the pretend ports. So this is what the power supply would be on a real Series X. Fake HDMI, fake expansion slot, fake Ethernet, fake USB ports. Yeah. Right, and now without any further ado, let's go ahead and get it set up. Right, so I have placed the fridge next to my bed, and now it's time to get it powered up and connected. Right, so let's plug the relevant power cable into the correct port, which is there. Put it right. There we go, that should be connected up properly. Yep. Now let's plug it into the mains. Mains like so. Yeah. Now let's switch it on. Yes, I can hear the fans running. And this switch here turns the light on the top of it and controls the light on the top of the fridge. This one, the fake sync button, turns the light for the Xbox logo on and off. Right, so I've decided to do a little test of this fridge. So I've placed this clock thermometer thing into the fridge. Right now it's currently saying 20 degrees Celsius. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the fridge, put it on the max setting like so, and then I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes, and then see what the thermometer says after that. Right, so it's now been 30 minutes. So now let's see what the fridge has brought the temperature down to inside. Let's see what the thermometer says. Ooh, not bad actually, 10 degrees Celsius. Yeah. That should keep anything in there nice and chilled. Oh, and I should also mention as well that USB port on the front of the fridge is also powered as well. So as you can see, when I put this little light in, it turns on like that. Which I think makes it great for charging devices and whatnot. Well guys, that is going to be it from me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of this Xbox Series X mini fridge. Please make sure to like, share and comment on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel as well, and hit the bell icon as well so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and TikTok as well. And I shall see you in my next video, but until then, this is Josh Bacon, also known as JB the Car Fanatic, signing off. Peace!